Welcome to this video where I'll be explaining to you what is the Strawman fallacy. In this video, I'll start with a definition, following by a few examples, and then how you can counter it as well as avoid that mistake in yourself. Let's start. Definition. The Strawman fallacy consists in a distortion or exaggeration of someone else's argument in order to better attack it. Example 1. Let's say we have person A that thinks that people should be responsible for their own action and not rely on help continuously from the government. And then person B that says, oh, so you are against helping people in need? I can't believe it. Right, so now let's take a second to analyze what the person just said. According to person B, person A said that they are against people helping people in need, but that's not what was said. Person A said that they are against help continuously from the government. These are two different things. What was said was not what was understood. By distorting the argument of person A, it allows person B to better attack it. Example 2. Let's say we have person A, once again, that believe that we should invest more in public education to improve the quality of our school. And then person B that replies, so you're saying we should just throw an unlimited amount of money at school without any accountability? That's absurd. So once again, let's take a moment to analyze this. Here we have person B that claims that person A said that we should just throw an unlimited amount of money at school without any accountability. But person A actually said that they want to invest more in public education. Investing and investing an unlimited amount of money are two different things. They are not the same thing. What was said was not what was understood. For person B, it's easier to make that exaggeration that we should throw an unlimited amount of money in order to better attack the argument of person A. So once again, exaggeration, a distortion of an argument. So now that you are familiar with the Strawman fallacy, how can you avoid it? The first thing that you should do to better avoid that mistake is to listen calmly. When somebody is talking, explaining his point, listen fully. Once that person has done with his word, try to rephrase the word of the person to make sure that it really represents what they said. And lastly, do not jump to conclusion. Ask question if you have any things that you do not understand fully. So now that you know how to avoid that mistake, how can you counter it? The first thing to do when you are faced with the Strawman fallacy is to call it out. Always call it out. Explain the difference between what was said and what was understood. This will allow the other person to see their mistakes. So, in conclusion, a strawman is a caricature of an argument. The best way to avoid it is to listen calmly. And lastly, if you ever experience that situation, call it out and explain the differences between what was said and what was understood to better counter it. If you like this type of video, put a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for listening.